So, how exactly do we go about using the brand new and innovative music creation tool within Gemini? In order to get started with this process, all you really need to do is simply log into your personal Gemini account using your credentials, and once you're in, you'll see an option right over here that has just been officially added to the interface for everyone to use. At the moment, as I'm recording this video, it's not available in all countries. Now you can change your IP and log in with another Gmail account so that this option appears for you. It's completely free as well. As you can see, my account is not a plus account. So here you click on the music creation option. When you click on the music creation option, a series of styles will be displayed for you. So you can choose which style you want to create your music in. Or if you want, you can enter your own text in this section and wait for your music to be generated. If you want to stay updated on all software updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Once your music has been fully created, you can play it back, download the file, or share it with others. However, the best way is to download your own music and then listen to it carefully and truly enjoy the sound.